Hello everybody, Nikki White here, and today we are doing a special episode for all three of you Sugar High fans. This is the Lost episode. This is footage from 2019 when we were in Pittsburgh, so keep in mind it's just kind of sporadic footage, but here's what we have. Please enjoy.
You caught me.
I'm Nikki.
And I'm Silly.
Together we are
Sugar High.
Today's episode of Sugar High, we're looking at desserts in Pittsburgh.
What? Stop one of many in Pittsburgh. Today we're here at the Milkshake Factory where they have chains all over Pittsburgh, and they also have dairy-free options, some signature options, some gourmet, some regular, all the milkshakes you could want. So why don't we go in and have a peek?
Now looking back on this footage, I do remember it was a hot day. Milkshakes and I probably don't have the best relationship, and I knew we were going to get some more dessert later. So I let Silly take the wheel with this one. Honestly, his milkshake was way better than I thought, as you're going to see in the upcoming footage. And if I was to go back again, I would totally get one of these. But it was like a limited time thing, so joke's on me.
Silly, you're dirty.
I can only imagine that this milkshake has about 6,000 calories in it.
Silly's doing his first sips here. We got the Jake Shake, it's one of the specials.
Oh, that's rich.
Can I have a hit of that? I was too chicken to get my own milkshake because it had trouble written all over it, but I'm not above trying this one. That's... Okay, from the first taste, what would you rank this cavity-wise if you had to give it a rating?
Oh, damn.
Independently, because we haven't had other milkshakes.
I know it's hard because I don't even know what other milkshakes are out there, but this one is damn delicious. It could compete with the best. I'm gonna say, hard to give it a 5 because I don't know what else is out there, but I'm gonna give it a 4.5 because this is so good.
Yeah, it's good. And now we're here at Peace, Love, and Little Donuts. Super stoked to try these donuts because donuts are one of my favorites, and they have small donuts here, which is perfect.
2025 Nikki, looking back on this, we walked miles to get here. There's so many donuts to choose from, but you'll see what we got, and that's apparently all we got. So like, I don't know why we were being so conservative, except that maybe because it was a billion degrees out, maybe we had lost our appetites, which makes sense.
Hey, we got our little donuts here. I got a cinnamon sugar one, basic.
And I got
Magically delicious.
And it is hot as all hell.
If you don't see the sweat on our faces, count yourself bliss. Somebody's already dipped in.
Always.
It had some magically delicious smeared on it too. If you guys didn't notice how many flavors they had down there, damn.
36.
Eat your heart out, Baskin Robbins.
I love that it's mini.
Yeah.
That's the best part for me.
Yeah. Whoa. All made fresh. That glaze is perfection.
Based on my one
Damn.
donut, just quick and dirty, overall rating, I give it a 4 or 4.5 out of 5.
I'm gonna go with a 4.
Nice.
It's delicious.
It was cheap too. It was like $2 for both these.
$2.20 for 2, like including tax. So.
That's good. We obviously could not travel without getting some bubble tea. Found a place. It's called Fuku. Hope I said that right. Not F-U.
It's really in the heart of the University of Pittsburgh area, so we're gonna go check it out, refresh ourselves. It's a very sweltering day.
Hopefully it's not busted, because whenever I travel and there's like small bubble tea places, it's never great.
You never know, we're taking a risk.
As the title of this video implies with the Lost episode, this sure was lost because we have no footage of us trying the drink or saying what we thought, and from what I recall it wasn't memorable, so I'm gonna guess it was just mid. Thank you for watching. We'll be back to our regularly scheduled videos next week, and if you want to check out some of our Sugar High videos from times past, I'm gonna put them right here. Okay, see you, bye!